Yo,
Yo, what you saying, bro?
I'm good, I'm good. Haven't
How's it
been doing
going?
look at
How's trading
crypto.
going, man?
I've been doing bare back testing for smart money concepts, but when I do, I feel like it's easier to use it on Forex for some reason than crypto. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's pretty much to do with I would say most probably with the type of trading that's happening on Forex. It's the concepts are based on Forex, innit? They're not really
Mm,
based on crypto, and the type of institutions and order flow and all of that stuff on Forex is completely different to to crypto as well. So you can see in cases where it does work, but you're definitely gonna see it more clearly on FX than you are on crypto.
mm, mm.
100%.
The only time that I've seen it work properly was only on Bitcoin.
Yeah, and that's most probably to do with volume and the size of the coin itself. Like in the whole FX market daily trades anywhere between like 4 and 7 trillion a day in terms of volume.
Mm,
So, that's what currently like anywhere between 3 and 5 times the size of the whole crypto market being traded daily. So yeah, it's a completely different ball game, bro.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's banks doing orders of like billions at a time instead of a couple wells maybe doing hundreds of millions or tens of millions at a time.
Mm.
That's the real difference. But yeah, you can see it working at points. I would say the main thing that might work in crypto is like stop hunts and sort of price looking for liquidity and sweeping lows and highs um pushing pushing low or higher.
Yeah, yeah.
I'd say those are the main things to look out for. But yeah. Kiddo, what you saying, bro?
He left.
Yeah, little punk, man.
Oh, he's back.
Yo, you little punk, what you saying?
Yo, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Good, man, good.
Got GCSEs, man. I barely have time to trade.
But yeah, do your GCSEs, man. That's the most important thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a break. You know, in February, I'm just gonna go off and I think I'm gonna come back. I'll probably check in every weekend, innit, just to see. But I'm
Yeah.
trying to get a
When,
funded account before then.
wait, when are your GCSE
Yo,
dates?
bro, I don't have no clue. You're asking the wrong guy, fam. Bro, I'm trying to
Just
learn everything right now, quickly. 3 months left. I'm learning all the chemistry, physics, biology, one go.
I'm pretty sure I've only my A levels are like when are they? Then June or July. I thought no, like Mayish. That's what I thought GCSE would be as well.
Yeah, so I'll probably go same time as you. I'm fucked. I got no clue what I'm doing.
That's pain still.
Nah,
That's
it's calm,
pain.
man. If I pass in it, I'll pass and I'll do alright. But bear in mind, I'll pass in an Asian parents eye like a B, so it's techie.
I'm gonna do a quick Bitcoin analysis, basically going over what I went over yesterday. But the main the main levels I'm looking at really right now is this range high and this range low, and the mid range. So pretty much from here, prices coming back up, really up into around 38, between 38 and 41. I want these highs to sort of be kept. And realistically, I'm thinking every sort of downturn we've had, every swing high that we've had, we haven't really had that clear market structure, sort of support being held before we started moving lower, or resistance, price coming back up to the resistance levels before it moved lower. So yeah, I'm gonna start sort of scaling into shorts around 38. I've got an order at 38k, and just seeing what happens there, scaling in as I get sort of confirmation of price turning. What I'm looking for really is price to come up here on the 4 hour or the 1 hour. Can't remember which one it is. Maybe 4 hour hitting the EMA, possibly taking out this swing high, possibly, and then trading around here before breaking lower, and then a sell-off from here will be my confirmation to add the sell-off from this level, roughly somewhere around here, once market structure is confirmed bearish. And on the 1 hour, I think it's the 200 EMA I'm looking at, just to get a sell-off from, roughly. But really, I'm looking at anywhere between sort of here, and here. Really taking note, we saying, bro, really taking note of this supply area here for price to sort of either wick into or come into before consolidating and starting to show the bearish market structure. On the other side, on the bullish side, I'm really just looking for continuation and bullish market structure. So for me, price to come back up into these levels, to reclaim this as support and come for this high, really. I'll most probably have an order up here for 46. I won't be looking for anything long term at these levels. I think the higher we go, the more chance we have of selling off. I don't have any confidence in long-term bulls right now. But another thing I'll just be looking at is these highs, price to come and take out this liquidity up here and start selling off from there. Let me get rid of these EMAs as well. I'm not really looking at the EMAs, or actually no, the 12 and 21 EMAs I'm kind of looking at more of sort of once we get down to these levels, I'm looking for the earlier sort of golden cross to once we get into a period of consolidation, looking for that cross, because it kind of reacts quicker than the 50 and the 200. So I'll be looking for something like come down into a level, consolidate around it, get the crossover of the 12 and 21 EMAs before possibly maybe sort of scaling in around those levels, and then once the 50 EMA breaks, add in a bit more size. But yeah, I got the 12 and 21 EMAs from a stream yesterday, so I just want to see how they work. Going into any areas of consolidation and breakouts. And another thing I was looking at is just from here, where are we more likely to go? Are we going to visit the highs from here, or are we going to visit the lows? Really just looking at where the market is most comfortable and where liquidity could possibly lie in terms of what is the easiest place to trade to, and where the most sort of orders will lie. Are they going to lie above these highs, possibly up here, but we're already down here, so it's likely that these will get swept before these get swept. And another thing I saw on Twitter the other day is just this invert the chart, and you see it feels like if we were in a bullish market, everyone would be saying, yeah, no, we're not trading back down here, we're going up here. So yeah, it's just a few things I'm looking at.
Fam, every single time I jump on, I see you looking at Bitcoin 1 day chart. Big man thing. Pattern up.
Well, I don't know what I'm supposed to say to that, man.
Big man thing on my capping though.
Yeah, what do you want me to look at, bro?
Look at
You want me to
Bitcoin
look at the
15
5 minute,
minutes, switch it out, bro.
15 minute?
Every single fucking call, yeah, it's either 1 month or 1 week or 1 day, fam. Get me.
Okay, what do you want me to show you on here, bro?
That's why you get no pictures, fam.
Yeah, 100. It's true, bro.
Get
No,
me.
I'm looking for the long term. I'm not looking for short term, fam.
Slow down.
There's something for you. There's a trend line, a random trend line for you on a 15 minute.
Yeah, seen.
Yeah?
I like that still. Adds value to my trading.
Calm. Yeah,
But here what
so
though?
for you, this trade is only for you, yeah? Short Bitcoin 125.
But I've been done that, bro.
Yeah? Did it work?
Nah.
Alright.
Don't watch though. 1% put in it's mine.
Calm. But yeah, that's Bitcoin. Ethereum, pretty much the same thing. We
Will you
might
loading up
see
a spot then?
not anytime soon, bro.
Nah, but what you gonna load up ETH?
Bitcoin, ETH, and
I said
Harmony.
Bitcoin, you know, you got bread, you know.
You don't need to have bread to load up on Bitcoin, bro. You just need to be looking for 2x.
See.
Yeah. 30k to 60k 2x. That's all you need to be looking for.
You know what? Yeah, I think I'll bottom out at like 30k. Cause you see in March, yeah, they were all saying fucking 14k then, bro. Bottomed out like what 28k or something, 29k. They were all saying fucking 14, 15k, fam.
But I was the stream I was looking at yesterday, yeah, they were saying, listen, if we start trading below 30k, yeah, there's no reason. Let me go on Bitcoin. If we start trading below 30k, there's no reason why we can't go lower than 20. I wouldn't see 20 as a support zone that's literally going to get a massive fly up from there. We might see, where is it? Where is this? Is that 20k up here? No, that's like 13. Here.
Hey, what though? Yeah, how many girls have you kissed?
None, bro. I've only kissed my hand.
Swear.
And my pillow, bro. Yeah, I practice on my pillow.
Swear down.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
I say if we trade down here, yeah. If we trade down here, anywhere in this range, I think we could find support. Could do something like that. We could come right down and just bounce off. But realistically, if we come down here, we're going to get a consolidation period and then the sell-off, the buyback, the pump, whatever you want to call it. Another thing, Answers was showing it in the chat is one, you might be able to get some longs on this if Bitcoin starts holding its levels. Get rid of all this crap. But right now we have a range. Flip. We have a daily range between these highs and these lows. The lows have been held. Daily doesn't look that strong. And these lows really haven't been swept yet. And because we're seeing a pullback or a rally on Bitcoin, we might just be able to trade maybe up to the low 20s, back up to this support zone before we see a continued sell-off if Bitcoin starts selling off again. And what I'd be looking for is somewhere around this range, possibly on the daily if we go down into the 4 hour, just that high being swept before we go lower. But yeah, there's this demand area somewhere around this swing high here is what you want to be looking for to take profits if you were to buy. We're getting, like I was saying earlier, with the 12 and 21 sort of reacting quicker to price and showing a possible swing happening. We could see just price, once price gets back above the 21, then we might see that move back up to the 50 and this supply area somewhere around here, possibly wicking this out and basically playing this range, sells up at this high and you could take profits down here, maybe hold some for the move lower. But, you know, if Bitcoin continues lower, 10 cents is definitely getting hit. And that's where I would be looking to buy a spot at 10 cents. Around 8 and 10, between 8 and 10. Yeah, so T1, back with your bullshit. What you got to say?
Oh, he's on a violet.
No.
Violet.
I'm just, not even,
I said,
bro.
back to your bullshit.
Not even, bro. I know you ain't got nothing trading wise to say in it, so that's why. Yeah.
Listen.
Okay.
I was gonna open up BTC right now, yeah.
Yeah. You got some charts for us?
I'm gonna do my tier.
You got some charts here?
Yeah.
I'll let you share screen, bro.
You know what? Let me go Telegram group to call my boss. Fucking what's it called? Computer, innit?
Yeah. This should be interesting still. I've been waiting to see your TA, you know. I've been waiting for you to
I think my TA called, fam. They don't know what one.
I've been waiting for you to send me a signal, bro. So incognito, I didn't even realize you were muted. I don't know who muted you, bro.
Oh, man,
it wasn't me.
Can't chart. You can't do TAs, though. Listen to whatever.
Say that again, bro.
T1 can't even do TA.
He's
No. I'll believe that when I see it, bro. Everyone can do TA, man. Yes, Shmulo, what you saying, bro?
I've been trying to teach him TA for time, boy. I don't even know he's not listening.
But today's the day, man. I believe in him, man.
Go show them, man.
T1, how many girls you kissed, bro? What? I'm just returning the question, bro.
You say man called GTA fam, rise up fam. Let me share my screen.
Do you know how to share it? You gotta go on like the menu from the chat in it. I can't remember where it is on phone, but it will say share screen.
It says, don't let me share, bro. Actually, no, I can share. You see that, yeah.
Yeah.
You can see it.
Yeah, but you're
Blurry.
yeah, mad blurry, bro.
Slow down.
Yeah.
Yeah, my Wi-Fi's probably bugging, innit?
Yeah, bro.
Deal with it, innit, bro? But man will show you my TA, fam. You see that? See the position that I took? Long swing, that minimal Jordan.
That's clean still.
Minimal Jordan.
On what leverage?
I did 10.
Okay.
I fully closed it. Then, but more time, yeah, I'll be real, yeah. I closed 75% around here, innit? Because man's up 40% to get me. Like, oh, man's gonna close. But, see that, yeah. Man did another position here. Quick scouting, innit? Let me see.
Bro, I feel like I'm watching a PlayStation 1 or something, bro. You men are too young for that, though, innit? You men are too young for that, innit?
Nah, man was there, bro.
You was there, yeah?
Yeah,
You was there for that.
I don't stop this shit. I'm looking at my phone, innit?
Okay. Yeah, but I was hoping you'd actually show us some TA in it. Like, what's your ideas of the market right now? Like, have you got any ideas of where Bitcoin's going, where Ethereum, any other
I'm
coins
gonna
going?
share my screen. I'll share my phone and it'll be less laggy.
Calm.
Wait, do you use retail or smart money concept?
I do a bit of both, bro.
Oh,
I look at order blocks and that.
yeah.
Look at liquidity, but then I also look at trend lines and shit in it, like the general in it. Retail. Let me just clear this shit up.
Yeah, that's clearer still. What laptop you got?
I don't even know what it is, bro. My dad bought it for me.
Yeah, man's got that Xiaomi thing still.
Yeah.
you know that fake MacBook.
How do I move all this shit on the right, fam? How do I move all this shit?
How do you mean?
What do you mean?
As in, like, you see these lines and that.
I have to delete that one by one on phone. You can't do
You can
that
delete
one
them.
click.
Yeah.
Oh, I swear.
Yeah.
I've seen, but anyways, yeah. The way man sees it, yeah. Obviously, you have liquidity grabs around. Yeah, you get me? Yeah, we also have them. Yeah, you get me? If you zoom in a bit, yeah, you can clearly see that in it. And that just shows, yeah, like man knew that Bitcoin would go up in it in July, fam. And more time I be real with you, yeah. I'll be so real. I actually set up a long position at the bottom of this wick, innit? I held up all the way up here. And that was on 100 times F, so do the maths, innit? 13k
That's
piano.
crazy still.
Yeah, but then when I saw this lick club up here, yeah, I was like, fuck it, I was short, yeah. I'm still holding it to this day. That big man thing.
You got proof.
Yeah, I got my balance right now. Give me 2 seconds. Man, hold on. You know what? Because man was so confident, yeah, I did have a stop loss one. You know that was there? Would I have a stop loss?
Yeah.
Yeah, fast still.
Yeah, but if we look at another coin I like to trade is FTM and Luna. But I see more FTM. Obviously FTM, we go on a 4-hour chart, yeah, and then we move all this shit. Man obviously sees this in it, this clear line, bro. Get me? But then
Yeah.
it broke past that, yeah. We tested a couple of times, broke above. What it then did there, yeah. It saw this line. Saw this line. Broke above, retested, whatnot, yeah. Dumped back down, you get me? And then from these fucking wicks, yeah. It retested that. Quick 30% move, fam.
You still in this one, yeah?
Yeah, man, bro. Man long ETH at $400, bro.
Calm. That's cold still. When was that?
Must have been like last year or something. Like a year and a half ago.
That's clean still.
Like, man, bro, man got a private stuff with ETH, fam.
Yeah, I remember that still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alice, yeah.
When was,
See,
that
Alice,
was
bro.
like 2 years ago, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember
Alice
that one
took a
still.
shit, bro. Alice took a shit, yeah. And where I see Alice go forward now, yeah, is down there again. So at $3.40, I'm long in that shit. Or spot holding even, because I see it going back up to $40 up the road. For me,
Yeah, that's a clean trade still.
can't already get me. And
So listen, where do you think Bitcoin's going? Where do you think Bitcoin's going from here? Yeah,
Well, I think 100k, genuinely 100k, 30k to 100k, fam.
Okay.
You see Bitcoin, like genuinely, I'm not even joking on the big man thing there. I'm gonna be shorted at 38k. Why? It's because we scroll past, yeah. You see this, if you go into 1 hour chart, it's clear, it's easy to tell, innit? Scroll down, yeah, you see this order block here?
Yeah.
On the G thing, I'm gonna be shorting here. I'm not even joking, no left.
Oh, I have the same thing on my chart as well. That order block.
You go down in this chart as well, yeah, I'm gonna be
Yeah.
short. But to be fair to you, I was literally gonna short the other day, but it hit I had a limit at 37,587. It didn't hit, innit?
When you normally trade order blocks, do you always set a limit, or do you like just bounce around 1 minute and try to get an entry there?
And more times it depends if I'm active or not, innit? Like today I was active on charts, yeah.
Yeah.
So I had a limit set, yeah, but I could have marketed. But you see Binance, because it's so laggy, like this was like a sudden pump, innit? Like, even today was a sudden pump, so Binance was laggy. So when Bitcoin on TradingView was at 37,520, on Binance it was at 37,490.
I didn't see no lag today on Binance still.
Oh, there was mad lag. But I had a short open today. Hit my stop loss in it, but there was mad lag because I shorted it. Where did I short it? It wasn't even today. 36.97 something.
Hmm.
Yeah, it must have been this candle here. This candle here, innit? Because I saw I was up like 10%, but then hit my stop loss after, innit? It was pumped crazy. I remember that one still.
Yeah, boy, I
But
can't
I'm
lie.
gonna be
This
short in Bitcoin at 38k.
this all
though.
sounds like big cap, fam.
That big man
Like the
thing, fam. I swear
biggest of
down,
cap.
but you know what? You know what it is? You know what it is? XV innit? You know XV? I did the signal innit?
Okay.
It went to it was at like 36.974.
Are you doing his challenge?
Yeah.
How's it going, bro?
Yeah, he's only given I think 2 trades, both at stop loss, but that was at like the start innit? And he hasn't bust the actual signal for the challenge innit? Of it.
Yeah.
But he's been busting signals in his premium innit? Because he trades on 15-second time frame.
Okay.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. So 15 seconds today. He re-entered BTC. I think it was like 37,400. Yeah, and he man was still holding it in the chat. Innit?
Yeah.
Right now, that's 2.3% of the spot in it, and he told us 20 times F, so that's 50%. Well, I didn't
What, as
do
in
it.
short? As in a short?
Yeah, sure. But I didn't do it just because if I take it, if it hits my stop loss, I don't trade again that day, innit?
Yeah.
Once it's my stop loss, I don't trade. But they basically GBG'd, innit? But it worked out.
That's clean still.
Yeah, but on a big man thing, I'm going to be shorting at 38k. I'll go on the
Yeah,
left there.
same, bro. Same.
I'm shorting 10 times F.
I'm looking
Yeah.
shorting as well, so hopefully you can go to that 30k. I think.
I'm going to set a limit soon.
Just going back to Harmony quickly, yeah. Obviously, if we can get that high taken, there's a long trade there if you want that short term long trade, but realistically on the downside you want to be taking this trade down to 10 cents. I think there's a nice level down there. You really want to be trading to these lows, innit? Looking for these lows to be swept to around 11, and what we're looking for is price to come, take these lows and just confirm lower with some sort of ranging between this and a smaller level here on the 4 hour or 1 hour time frames. And once you get the break of this low, that's your confirmation to short. That would be from 15 to 11. I think that would be like 80% possibly. Not 80%, sorry, 30%, 30%. Take off 50 to 75% and just ride down to 10 if possible to these lows. But yeah, we're definitely in sweeping low season still. I'm not sure how Bitcoin's gone up 8% and it's down on the day again, so that's a bit techie. I was looking at the weekly high or last week's open I was looking at and just price trading around there. Last week's open was here, so it's still above it. Last week's close. Still above it. That could act as support up into 38s, 40Ks. You can see there's a nice support level there on the weekly. So yeah, short term, intra week, or intra-month for the next like week, possibly 10 days. I'm expecting price to hold these levels and push up to here and then sell off from there.
Income, did you enter into NIP? Fucking popped off.
Nah, I didn't. You know, I literally said it was gonna be good, but I didn't wanna open a short in the middle of the dump. I don't do that. But I said it was gonna be good for people who wanted to enter. But personally, I'm never gonna enter a short in the middle of a dump. So
Yeah, more time is there. I didn't even know about these guys, and I don't know why I got added. But I just wanted to see what they were on and that. So I might do the chase now, bro.
I'm pinning that tap though. I can't lie. I know.
I was going to enter into a sell as well for but I don't know why. I've been getting skeptical of entering on alt as future trade. I don't know why.
Wait for Bitcoin to tell you what to do.
Yeah.
Really, what you want to see for alts here is Bitcoin, whether it's this support and trading higher, but you really want to see where is it dominance, sort of find resistance and start selling off as well.
What I
'Cause
do is when I'm
that will give you information into whether or not we could possibly go lower. So we might trade down back to 42%, which might give you a run if Bitcoin finds support and we find support here on dominance. And yeah, I'd look at ETH as well. ETH, I'm finding support as well.
Yeah, bro, when BTC bottoms out, yeah, I'm loading up on ETH.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Loading up.
Well, he was scared to trade on alts. He
Me.
didn't like doing it. What I do is you go trading on alts as you do a PA on the coin. You look at Bitcoin as well, because most of them are linked. So if you can see what's going on with Bitcoin, confirms you're trading on alt, then it's enter.
Yeah.
That's what I
Yeah,
do.
because I was going to enter on a trade today. It was like literally like an hour or two ago. It was like I don't made it as a paper trade. It was like it turned out to be a good trade, but I didn't get in. So I was just skeptical of Bitcoin. In fact, that was a very good trade actually.
Yeah,
I'll screenshot it real quick.
If you trade, and also look at what Bitcoin's saying as well. Yeah, I don't even trade. I don't trade Bitcoin. I only trade alts. So
Okay.
I look at Bitcoin every time I do it.
Yeah.
T1, that short you were saying from 37,400, yeah, you're not still holding it, are you? Or you didn't get in?
No, I didn't get in. It didn't hit my limit.
What
Yeah.
for Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I short Bitcoin at 52K, and then I closed it early, very very early.
Now I was saying she was saying XFees group shorted, what is it, somewhere here, this level here.
Yeah, 37,400 or something like that.
Yeah.
That's not many months entries around.
I had a Bitcoin entry 52K short.
Yeah.
Like the worst.
I'm expecting, I can't lie, I'm expecting Asia to pump this from somewhere around here into these levels here.
So what's that?
So tonight I'm expecting either bow, and then tomorrow morning times we'll start seeing the sell off.
What you think? Wait, you see these sessions, yeah? How did
Yeah,
it impact the market?
it's just what different like sentiment towards the markets in different markets. So obviously late night while we're sleeping, Asia is awake and trading in it. That's literally what it is. So obviously we've seen this pump here. We've seen this pump. We've seen 8% today. Well, there was 8%. I don't know what today is. It 25th. 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 25th I don't know why it's showing 0.34% today, but Binance was showing me 8% earlier. I'm not too sure. It might be just where they start their day from, innit?
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, so in terms of session times, yeah, you can see like if you sort of highlight, let's say we look at what's the date today? It's Tuesday, 24th. So 24th starting from 1 o'clock to around 6 or 7. Let's say 7 o'clock. That's pretty much Asia coming into like early Europe. And then we got continuation going into New York. London starts about 1 o'clock. New York starts about 1 o'clock. And then you have Asia starting again around 12, 1 o'clock. So that's pretty much Asia session to Asia session starting. You can see Asia, the last 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, have sort of preferred selling over buying, whereas New York want to buy, or America want to buy, that part of the world wants to buy. Most probably a lot of this could even be El Salvador for whatever reason. And then you've got
Bro, more
now,
time is me in it, but I'm pumping and dumping on bro.
yeah, and you've got New York coming in again here, pumping it, or El Salvador again pumping it. And then yeah, so going into you know, the early hours today, we could see price drop off again, but I do think all of this volume is going to sort of be continued going into these levels. This is the real supply level here, the supply zone here, and I expect if we break above that, we then have to contend with this level here, this support level here, and then all of these supply levels that lie around this sort of consolidation period up here, this range between like here and here. Yeah, I was just asking because I don't know how much selling we have in the market at these levels. I do feel like the market will just push it up a bit higher before we get that sell off. I think this sell off's too obvious.
What do you think bottom is for Bitcoin?
The bottom is 0, bro. No, for me, somewhere in the 20s, realistically, in it, and that really depends on the macro picture. So, what is the central banks leaning to over the next sort of quarter? Obviously, we know they're tightening. They're gonna stop asset purchases. They're trying to curb inflation, which we know is bad for Bitcoin because Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. So if inflation is going down, Bitcoin demand is going to go down. So with demand going down, lower prices. And if they're successful, we get a crash. And I think if the large countries are going to get in, they're not going to want to get in at 30, 40K. They're going to want to be getting in at closer to 20, if not lower.
Yeah.
And there's if we're talking about like volume and mean reversion, all of the volume or the last, well, it's only because we've only traded up here for like a year and a bit. But the mean of volume is all the way down here, which I don't think is a realistic target. But if we look from 2018 to now, 2018 starts here, we get 10k as the mean. So yeah. Also, support before the pump is somewhere around 10-11k. And the previous all-time highs haven't been tested as support. So 10 and 20k is realistic in terms of just foundational technical analysis concepts, support and resistance. Usually support, or once resistance is broken through to the upside, it comes back and gets tested as support at some point. That's like the first thing I learned in trading at like 7 years ago. So yeah, 20k is possible, lower is possible. Price is just a function of what people want to pay. People don't want to pay 36k, it's going to go lower. If people don't want to pay 20k, it's going to go lower. It's just what people want to pay at the end of the day, and how many people want to buy it at whatever level it is.
I hear that. IT1, what do you think, Joseph? What do you think the bottom is for Bitcoin? You personally?
I've got a buy limit set at $500, innit? But that's just me though.
I got one set at $1 still.
But realistically, I don't give a shit, fam, because I don't give a shit, I'll be real, fam. I'm gonna still trade, regardless of what BTC is.
Yeah, that's the way I feel in it. Like,
yeah, like
as long as I can read the charts, it doesn't matter what price it is in it. So long as I can sort of have a picture of where it's going, in whatever market we're in, then I'm happy.
Yeah,
I struggle the most when price is ranging. If we're trending, I'm good.
So, because I'm tethered, innit? Like, I don't have anything to spot right now, so I'm not really too fast.
Yeah, I hear that.
Well, did you use that stuff in spot?
Say again?
You had stuff in spot before?
Am I going to hear you properly? Say again?
You have stuff in spot before you said.
Oh, did I start on spot?
Do you have stuff in spot before?
What, say again?
Did you have stuff in spot before?
Oh, yeah, before I had stuff in spot, fam. I had knacker, innit? I had 2 times that shit cut, innit?
Figs, did you take that atom trade?
No, that's not. I don't know why I didn't. I was just so skeptical. I thought that Bitcoin would continue going up for a little bit.
Yeah. You got to remember as well, like, because Bitcoin dominance is going up as well, yeah. You can get these sells just because people are selling to go back into Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin's going up in price, alts can drop because people are selling them to buy Bitcoin.
But it's vice versa as well, innit?
Yeah. But you want to look for Bitcoin dominance going down when it's selling. If it's going up when it's selling, it's pain. But obviously, if it's going down when it's selling, you can sell alts.
Yeah, but I want to set up a node, fam. Apparently nodes are banging.
Yeah.
What is a node?
It seems too good to be true, fam. They're setting a node up for like 1.5 bags, yeah. They're getting 15k a year, fam.
That's mad.
Big man think it seems too good to be true. Like,
Who's telling you they're getting 15k a year?
Say again?
Who's telling you they're getting 15k a year?
Because they get rewards monthly in it, then it adds up to 50k a year just from one node.
Okay. What is that? The APR and APYs?
Yeah. Because I think
Okay.
you need, because everyone's on Thor now, innit?
Yeah.
Thor and Strong, and people are setting up Thor nodes, and I think it was like, it's like £40 a day or something like that, $40 a day if you set up the node.
Okay. So it's not like an interest rate it's giving you. It's just giving you the amount of rewards you're gonna get a day, basically.
Yeah, and I think they give it to an AVAX or something like that.
Okay.
It's to do with AVAX. I think you need to buy a certain amount of AVAX. You convert that into a Thor token, and then fuck knows what you do with it, bro. And then once you got 10, you set up a node. Because I remember someone was telling me, well, one of my friends did at school, must have been a year ago, and Strong was at like $50, yeah. He was telling me to set up nodes then. And he's pretty comfy right now, man.
Yeah.
I wanna get the 10 thing or whatever it's called, that 10, but you see ZK, he's saying that it's gonna go down by half the price it's at right now, something like that.
Yeah, fuck no, they pumped bare because I think it got listed on, I don't even know what happened, it must have got listed on exchange or something like that.
Oh, so I'm thinking I might as well just wait.
Yeah.
But I'm also trying to see if you get it like around now and you wait, the profit you're gonna get, is that not gonna be more than you just waiting?
Yeah, true.
Like if you think about it that way.
So I might take some, when I'm gonna spot, I might take some peas out and then slap it in a node, innit? I think,
Can't lie,
the max is 100 nodes.
I'm skeptical of all these things, man.
Yeah, big man thing, it seems too good to be true. From how you making back your return in like 40 days, and then the rest from there is prof. Like,
yeah,
seems
to me that sounds like a Ponzi scheme. I can't lie. But if it's working for people, it's working for people, man. I can't really judge something I don't know.
Well, how come, what's it called? How come I can't even type in chat?
I might have muted you still. I'm joking, bro. Wait, in the trading floor chat. Let me check permissions, bro. Did you say something to JB or Saki that would piss them off? Because them man always get salty, fam.
I'm pissed them off 24s, fam. Big man thing.
T1.
Oh, man.
Do you think Bitcoin can fill in that little imbalance around 40k?
Right, let me check that. BTC.
Isn't that what I just said like 15 minutes ago, bro?
Yeah, but there's like a different aspect I don't really get.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
Because I'm seeing like the same thing twice.
You need the smart
yeah
explanation. I hear you still.
Nah, man ain't fully on smart money, yeah. Don't get it twisted. But,
oh yeah.
But I do it here and there. Like,
yeah.
I just use it as more confirmation.
Listen, bro, you don't need to explain to me, bro. I'm relearning it myself, innit?
Okay, 40k. Yeah, not gonna lie, bro. See these candles, yeah, where they got nothing on either side, fam. It needs to fill that imbalance. That's the way I see it. That's why I'm gonna be shorting Bitcoin at 38k, and that's probably when it's gonna fill that order block.
Yeah.
But yeah, bare people are restricted by rows, and I'm not sure why. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna get restrictions taken off.
King, do you know JB and Saki in real life?
Say that again.
You know JB and Saki and these men in real life?
Nah, bro, we met through crypto. Like
Right on.
Yeah, like January, February last year.
Oh, so no.
That's lit.
Yeah. The man always trying to link up with me, and I'm like, nah, man, you guys are bums. I'm joking.
Bro, Saki before they spit on you, the fat cat.
Rah.
No, joke. Still.
Du- 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 du. Okay. Let me see if I can just unmute you. Mute. Try chatting now. I don't know how you got muted, bro.
Yeah, I can speak now still.
Calm. Yeah, Rosie's got bare people restricted. I'm not sure why.
Oh, how long are you on this? Because I'm trying to hop on U-boat. So, what's
Man
this?
said
On
you, bro,
what?
fam. You're a fuckboy, fam. I dated you. What the fuck?
U-boat's it, man.
You
I had
trying to
you, bro,
jump
when I
on
was
what?
14, fam. Are you bait faced on you, bro?
What?
What's Ubo, fam?
It's like
Bro, I'm 11.
Oh, it's like
You're talking about young
house.
it's
man.
like
It's like Amigo,
house
fam. It's like
party,
Amigo, fam.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
for
Nah,
like
I
yeah.
jumped on that once. Still, I jumped on that once with my boys. Still, and it was just
King, you
bare.
definitely, bro, you definitely wanted to clock, yeah, innit?
Bro, I jumped on it. Yeah, my boy is like maybe 2-3 years younger than me, and I jumped in his thing, yeah, and the things were young. I was thinking, bro, what is this, man?
Because you
What
can't.
is
They
this?
pair you with people your age, innit?
Yeah.
Okay.
But no one's my age,
Nah,
innit?
are you sure though? Because these teams were definitely younger than him.
Nah, but when I used to go
What's
on
it
you,
called?
but everyone was like 19, 20, bro. I
What's it
was
called? You
16.
like if you're under 18, you can't add anyone over 18, and they don't pair you with people over 18. If you get what I mean.
Mm.
But anything younger than that, they'll pair you with. But more time, I'm 11, so I'm blessed.
You know what's funny? You got capping as well.
Wait, who is it that said they're jumping on you, bro?
Incog.
Okay.
Nah,
Incog
people
with a
don't.
small cock.
Here, man. People don't think I'm 11, but on the G10, I'm 11.
You got ID to prove it, bro.
For
King,
what?
how old are you?
I'm 52.
Bro, I
Nah,
can
you're
show
like
you
21,
my primary school books and that.
Nah, King on the G team was like 21, innit? 19.
Nah, 52, bro.
52.
Yeah.
Are you retired?
Huh?
Are you retired?
he's got a pension.
Nah,
Man.
bro. Nah.
Oh, you didn't say what you bought. You didn't set money for a pension, nah.
Say that again?
Didn't. You don't have a pension on that.
Nah, bro. Nah,
You
I'm
ain't
still
got
paying
funds
into
there
it,
for
man.
when you retire.
I'm still paying into it, bro. You
Hold
know,
on.
yeah, McDonald's salary is not great still.
You know what I need though? What's it called? I'm gonna start getting taxed too, so I need ways to get
Well, we're
around.
gonna be getting taxed in 7 years, fam. It's minor. I'm on the G thing, yeah, when tax is out, yeah, bro, man's having a kid, fam. I'm giving them 12.5k a year, fam.
No,
It's like,
that's real still.
that's what you can do, like, because
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
you
what my
can
dad.
you can get 12 and a half. I think it's 12.5k
it
tax free.
is. It's
Yeah.
12.53, and then the £1 more and over is that you start getting taxed.
Yeah, that's what I know people's dad do with them, innit? My boys, yeah. My dad as well, innit? He does it, fam. He gives me 12.5k a year, yeah. And he says I'm an employee, innit? And because I'm an employee and I get paid like literally 12.5k on the dot, he doesn't get taxed, innit?
But you're under 18 now.
Yeah, but I
So
can't remember what.
do you have to pay tax even?
No, but
Do you have to pay tax
fuck
under
no, bro.
18?
I've never had a job in it, man. I don't know, but
You get, it's weird, like, if you're under 18, the first time you get your pay slip of it, you get taxed, but then you get it back the next month
Yeah,
after.
you get emergency tax. So man could be paying you more, and then you just get the tax back at the end of the tax year.
Yeah, fuck no, fam. Because I know my dad does it with my other siblings as well.
Yeah, that's G shit still.
He's an accountant, innit? So you expect it, innit?
Yeah, 100.
The gangster though, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop on you, but now still, I love.
Yeah, bro.
Enjoy, bro.
Enjoy the pussy.
IT1, hop on, man.
Yeah, no, but I'm banned from you, but I'm IP banned.
Okay, cool, love.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah,
What
I've
happened?
probably bought myself.
See, this guy was doing a madness, bro. He was definitely showing his
You,
piece.
bro, man was loose, man. Man was sending my dick pics everywhere, fam.
You're disgusting still.
I hear what, yeah.
But you know you're being recorded, right?
Long day, man. Long day. Long day. Why not? God, I'm gonna go do my economics homework then, innit?
But you're
I've had
about
it
to
on my
be
desk for the
famous
past half an hour, fam.
You're about to be famous, bro.
Jimmy, I've been on the desk for the past half an hour, fam. Trying to do it.
I start revising myself off. School's so long.
Long, man, so. Yeah, minor. Go on, I'm gonna do this shit then, yeah.
Yeah, let's end the call, man.
Yeah.
Love.
Peace out, you man.
Yeah, but you man.
Cool.